I'm Bill and welcome to my home workshop. Well, I decided to expand my workshop's capabilities by buying a metal lathe. Had it delivered on a crane truck, had a bit of fun getting it into the workshop, but now that it's in position I need to sort out how I'm going to mount all the tooling for it so the tooling is close at hand, make it convenient and efficient to operate. And that's what this video is all about. So let's get started. Almost forgot, there will be some CNC machining on my CNC machine. Need to do some alloy mounting plates for the tool brackets. So there'll be lots of drilling and lots of threading, all part of this video. Okay, this time we're going to get started. And here is the tooling that I want to mount on the lathe. Keep it close at hand to make it quick and easy to run operations and knock out parts. And so the first thing I did was to knock up a set of shelves to mount on the wall behind the lathe to mount all the tooling on. This end I have pre-drilled holes for the tailstock tooling to go into. I think that'll work well. Next was to 3D print some ABS tool holders that I can mount on the shelves, which the lathe tooling simply slides onto and holds it in a mounted position. So first trial mock-up of how things will go. Preloaded tailstock tooling in this end, quick change tool post tooling in the middle, and the boring bars up there. Still to print some holders for those, but yeah, initially that looks pretty good. Quite happy with that. Okay, just servicing the second plate using a long lathe strategy. First tool change. Pick up a 5mm. 4mm 2-flute cutter for the 2D contour operation. Tool rack slides back into its cubby hole. And away we go. And so just ramping down to do the 2D contour around the outside. Follow it up with a chamfer operation. Tool rack slides back and we start the chamfering operation. And all done. Okay, so let's start the drilling operation. just like to give it a little extra CRC in those first couple of cuts. After that it's fine. Check drilling with retraction. And drilling all done. And so threading with active air blast to stop it recutting chips. That gives the best thread cutting. Nice clean threads, no chip recutting. And then the program tool goes back to homing. And so just picking up the chamfer tool to do the engraving. Okay, just using a 6mm 2-flute chamfer tool to engrave my logo into the workpiece. Just using a trace program. Just position it to go between the holes. I had run it already once, but it was just too light going over it a second time. And all done. Yeah, it turned out well. And here we have the two longer plates. This one has the tool holders already mounted on it. This one I'll mount up shortly, and then I'll take them over to the lathe and get it all set up. And so this is my tool rack setup. You just pick a tool, put in the quick change tool post, pop it back on, pick another one, drop it in, lock it off. Everything's right at hand, close by, boring bar, in that way. Yeah, love it. Nice. Works for me. Hi guys, and welcome back for the final wrap. Well, this is my take on how to mount your quick change tool post tooling so that it's close at hand so that you can be as efficient as possible. 3D printed parts, alloy base plates, all turned out okay. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.